Welcome to Uptown Core, a very unique and urban neighborhood in the town of Oakville.
If you're looking to relocate within Oakville or move to Oakville, stick around to learn about this developing neighborhood. It just might be the perfect place you're looking for. Uptown Core is located in the middle of Oakville at the intersection of Dundas Street and Trafalgar Road. This neighborhood embraces many new urbanism principles in its design and functionality as a place to live, work, and play.
Uptown Core will appeal to those who enjoy the city life, but at a smaller scale.
Garages in this neighborhood are situated at the rear of the houses, while sidewalks are in front of the houses, making for a pedestrian-friendly community where you can go out for a walk and meet your neighbors. Some townhouses even have underground parking.
This neighborhood is excellent for young professionals, couples, and families looking for a starter home.
Uptown Core community hubs include Memorial Park and the Oak Park Shopping Center. Uptown Core is brimming with shopping plazas and a power center anchored by Walmart. There is no shortage of shopping and restaurant options here.
There's a lot of hustle and bustle in Uptown Core that makes it feel like a big city neighborhood than a suburb.
A nearby shopping destination is the Oakville Shopping Center, situated at the corner of Upper Middle Road and 8th Line.
This shopping center includes over 50 shops, restaurants, and professional services.
Uptown Core is a high-density neighborhood whose main streets are defined by the modern-looking stacked townhomes that provide a comfortable entry point into the Oakville housing market.
So most of these stacked townhomes are 2 bedrooms.
There is a cluster of low-rise and mid-rise condominium buildings around Trafalgar Memorial Park and along the main arterial roadway entry points into the neighborhood. New high-rise condominiums are finishing next to the Oak Park Shopping Center.
So most of these condos are 1 bedroom and 2 bedroom and affordable.
The interior streets are lined with Victorian and Tudor style inspired attached townhomes on urban-sized lots. Most of these homes are 3 bedrooms and feature an inviting front porch or a second-story balcony that overlooks the street. In a nod to new urbanism, garages are kept out of sight at the rear of these homes, making for a more pedestrian-friendly neighborhood. So let's talk about a few amenities that are nearby. For most homes in the neighborhood, the time to the closest shopping mall is only a 10-minute walk. The time to the hospital, the Oakville Trafalgar Memorial Hospital, is only a 9-minute drive. And for you commuters out there, it's only a 7-minute drive to the closest highway, the QEW, also known as the Queen Elizabeth Way. And the time to the closest train station, the Oakville GO, is only a 10-minute drive or a 60-minute bike ride.
This area has been planned with pedestrians in mind.
So no need to take a car everywhere you go. You can just step outside your front door and get some exercise walking to the neighborhood shops and restaurants and fitness clubs.
There are hiking trails with beautiful conservation areas located nearby.
The green spaces within the neighborhood are interconnected by pathways and include Memorial Park, 2 park ponds connected by a steel bridge, and the Winfred Parkette.
If you have kids or are planning to have some, we all know how important schools are. Let's see what's nearby.
For most homes in the neighborhood, the St. Andrew Catholic Elementary School is only a 9-minute walk. Another option for an elementary school which is slightly further away is the St. Gregory the Great Catholic Elementary School, which is a 5-minute drive or an 8-minute bike ride. For high schools, we have 2 options. The first is the Iroquois Ridge High School, which is a 5-minute drive or an 8-minute bike ride. And the second option is the Holy Trinity Catholic Secondary School, which is like a 4-minute bike ride or a 3-minute car ride. And you're only a 3-minute drive from the Trafalgar Ridge Montessori School or the Glen Ashton Daycare Center.
So is Uptown Core the right neighborhood for you and your family? You know, finding the right home in the right neighborhood can be very challenging, and making it work all within your budget even more so. My team and I spent a lot of time studying the Oakville neighborhoods, and we can find you a home right here, a home that you will absolutely love, and we can save you money and time in the process. So reach out and let's turn your desires into reality. If you want to learn more about the other Oakville neighborhoods, check out my playlist right here. Thanks for watching from Raj Phull, your local guide in Oakville.